How to master prompt versioning with Claude in Python. In this video, you'll learn to efficiently manage and version prompts using Claude in Python, a crucial skill for maintaining consistency in AI models. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on mastering prompt versioning with Claude in Python. Did you know that over 80% of AI developers struggle with maintaining consistency in their models? That's where prompt versioning comes in. It's a structured method for organizing and managing the prompts fed into AI models, ensuring consistent outputs. In today's video, we'll explore why this process is critical and how you can leverage it using Claude, a powerful tool, alongside Python. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to apply prompt versioning in your projects, optimizing AI outputs effectively.
In the fast-paced world of AI development, maintaining a structured workflow is critical. Version control acts as the backbone of this structure. It ensures that every change made to your AI model's prompts is tracked and documented, facilitating collaboration among team members, streamlining experimentation, and optimizing overall performance. Imagine being able to revert to a previous prompt version when an experiment doesn't go as planned. This capability not only saves time but also reduces errors and redundancies. We'll explore how adopting version control techniques can enhance your AI projects, making them more robust and reliable.
To kickstart your journey into prompt versioning, setting up a basic system in Python is crucial. Begin by installing essential libraries such as Git Python and using Python's built-in functionalities to create a simple versioning structure. This involves setting up directories and initializing a Git repository to track changes. Once in place, implement basic version control commands directly in your Python scripts to test their functionality. This preparation sets the stage for integrating Claude, which will enhance our versioning capabilities significantly. By mastering this setup, you're laying the groundwork for a streamlined and efficient AI development process.
Claude is a revolutionary tool designed to simplify and enhance prompt management in AI development. Its key features include advanced tracking, intuitive interfaces for prompt editing, and seamless integration with Python. Claude's capabilities allow for more precise control over prompt versions, enabling you to experiment with confidence. By leveraging its features, developers can easily implement changes, track their impacts, and optimize AI outputs efficiently. We'll dive into practical examples and real-world use cases demonstrating how Claude can be a game-changer in your AI projects, ensuring consistency and precision in prompt management. Once you have your versioning system and Claude set up, it's time to conduct experiments. Begin by creating multiple prompt versions and inputting them into your AI model. Use Claude to manage and track these versions, observing how each impacts the model's responses. Document the results meticulously, comparing the outputs to identify patterns or inconsistencies. This iterative process is crucial for refining prompts and optimizing the model's performance. By conducting systematic experiments, you can make informed decisions on which prompt versions deliver the best results, enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of your AI solutions.
After conducting experiments, analyzing the results is vital to optimizing prompt performance. Use data-driven approaches to assess the impact of different prompt versions, identifying key metrics such as response accuracy, speed, and consistency. By focusing on these metrics, you can pinpoint areas for improvement and implement changes accordingly. This process is iterative and involves continuous monitoring and refinement of your prompts. We'll explore best practices for conducting thorough analyses, ensuring that your AI models remain efficient and effective. By mastering this analysis, you'll be well equipped to optimize your AI systems continuously.
As with any complex system, prompt versioning comes with its set of challenges. Common issues include prompt conflicts, managing large datasets, and ensuring seamless team collaboration. Addressing these challenges requires strategic approaches and solutions. For instance, implementing branching strategies can help manage prompt conflicts, while effective data management practices are essential for handling large datasets efficiently. Ensuring your team stays updated with industry best practices is also crucial. We'll discuss these common challenges in detail and provide actionable solutions to help you navigate the complexities of prompt versioning with ease. Integrating Claude with Python opens up a realm of possibilities for enhanced functionality in prompt versioning. Begin by following the integration steps, ensuring that both systems communicate effectively. The benefits of this integration are manifold, from improved prompt tracking to real-time collaboration features that facilitate seamless teamwork. Moreover, Claude's intuitive interface complements Python's robust scripting capabilities, resulting in a powerful combination for managing AI prompts. We'll provide you with practical tips for a successful integration, helping you unlock the full potential of these tools and take your AI projects to the next level. Maintaining consistency in prompt versioning requires adherence to best practices. Establishing clear versioning protocols is foundational, ensuring that every team member follows the same guidelines. Regularly updating documentation is also crucial, providing a comprehensive record of all changes and updates. Implementing thorough testing at each stage of development helps catch potential issues early, while automation tools can streamline the versioning process. Encouraging open communication within your team further enhances collaboration and consistency. By integrating these best practices into your workflow, you'll foster a more efficient and reliable prompt versioning system.
As we conclude our journey into mastering prompt versioning with Claude in Python, let's recap the key points we've covered. From understanding the basics of prompt versioning to integrating Claude for enhanced functionality, each step is crucial for optimizing AI outputs. Remember, mastering these skills requires continued practice and engagement with the community. We invite you to share your feedback, ask questions, and join our growing community of AI enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. Stay tuned for more content as we continue to explore the fascinating world of AI development.